Find the derivatives of the following functions. In part A, our function is 1 plus tangent inverse quantity cube. If we think everything inside is u, like this one is u, so it's like u to 3, u cube. And by power rule, the derivative is just 3u squared, but this is not simply x, it's more than x, so times from chain rule u prime. That means derivative of u. That means in this case, then the derivative is 3, this quantity 1 plus tangent inverse x squared times derivative of inside. Derivative of 1 is 0 plus, don't have to write, derivative of tangent inverse. So you need to know the formula. Derivative of arctangent or tangent inverse is 1 over 1 plus x squared. And 0 plus this fraction is itself. And do not try to simplify. This is it. In part B, we have a square root of this fraction, which is in fact square root means raised to 1/2 x squared minus 5 over 3x plus 2. Now we need to assume everything inside is one function, let's say u, so u raised to 1/2, like, and from the power rule 1/2 u 1/2 minus 1, negative 1/2 times from chain rule derivative of inside u prime, which is in this case 1/2 this fraction x squared minus 5 over 3x plus 2, 1/2 minus 1, negative 1/2 times derivative of inside u prime. And this inside function happens to be a fraction, so we must use the quotient rule. Okay, like u over v. And we know that whenever we have u over v, a quotient, the quotient rule is u prime v minus v prime u over v squared. So the bottom is v, so v squared on the bottom. Derivative of top, so 2x minus 0, just 2x, u prime v 3x plus 2 minus derivative of bottom, just 3 plus 0, 3 times top, x squared minus 5. Okay, we don't have to simplify. The best we can do is distribute this, okay, but that's not necessary here, so we may leave here. And this negative 1/2, if you put this on the bottom with 2 or flip this fraction, then negative will be gone as well. In part C, sine squared 3x. This is in fact sine of 3x quantity squared. Okay, it's like u squared now, and we know that whenever we have u squared, it's the power rule, 2u 1 not needed times u prime from chain rule. So that is in this case 2 sine 3x, okay, times derivative of sine 3x. In fact, sine 3x also uses chain rule, because sine of 3x, let's say u, and we know that whenever we have sine of something, derivative of sine is cosine of that times derivative of inside function. So u squared means 2u times u prime. Derivative of sine is cosine 3x times inside derivative of 3x is 3. And this is it. Okay, we don't have to simplify. The best we can do is 3 times 2, 6, and this. So natural log of something, and that is again whenever we have natural log of, let's say, u, and its derivative is 1 over u times u prime from chain rule. So this is like u. So the derivative is 1 over 4x cubed plus x times derivative of this inside function 4x cubed 3 times 4, 12x squared plus, so plus means it's a quantity in fact, and derivative of x is 1. So this is on the top, by the way. 12x squared plus 1 is on the top, all over 4x cubed plus x. Do not try to simplify. Final.